Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you two websites where we can create a high quality do follow social bookmarking backlinks. So the first website name is dirstop.com. So this is a website, a dashboard for this website. Domain rating is 58. And if you can check this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having around 7.4K monthly visits and the mostly traffic from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the register button, and then after that you can put your username, your email address, then you guys will choose your password, then you can reconfirm your password, and you can verify this captcha. Then after click on the create a user, so you can see your profile is created. Now you can click on the submit button. There you can put your website URL. Then after click on continue. There you can put your bookmarking title. So I already generated. So there you can put your bookmarking title. Then after your tags. Then after there you can add your description, and you can verify the captcha, and you can click on the save changes and submit. So you can see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL, and this is your backlink. If I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink.
This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
So the next website name is SEOsiteslist.com, and for this website domain rating is 19. And if you can check this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having around 2.4K and mostly traffic from India and the Pakistan. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the register button, and there you can put your username, your email address. Then you guys will choose your password. You can reconfirm your password. Then you can fill the captcha. 7 plus 10 is 17. Then you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then after you can click on this button, register. And you can see our profile is successfully created. If you're wanting, so you can update these details as well. So click on profile, and you can see there is an option. You can add your mobile number. Okay, let me add the contact number here. Then you can add your city, your state. Then you can add your postal code, and then you can add your company description. So company description is this, and then you can add your Facebook URL, your company Facebook URL, Twitter. Then you can add your website name. So then we can add our website URL. And if you're wanting, so you can also upload a logo, and then after click on the update button. I guess we can ignore this for now. So you can see a data successfully saved. Now after you can click on the submit button, and there you can put your website URL. Then after you can click on continue button, and there you can put your title, and you can choose your category. So our category is businesses and services. Then there you can add your tags, and you can add the description. You can solve this captcha. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then after, you can click on the submit button, and you can see data was successfully saved. So you can click on this icon, icon button. Then you are able to found your social bookmarking landing page URL. So you can see this is your backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your social bookmarking backlink on these website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys, and if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will help me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.